Grandma made soup for you.
Soup?
Meatball soup.
Here. Soup.
You want to try it? You want to taste some?
Lick it. Lick it. How's that? Okay? Good?
You want more?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You want to sit down and have some, okay? Oh, I can hear the raspy sound. Hey, Matt, can you put this on her while I'm holding her?
Okay, it's coming.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. No, these are all gone.
Makes phlegm. Makes phlegm. Makes phlegm. Soup is good. You have a cold. Okay? Soup is good for you. You have a cold.
Ava say, okay.
Yeah, there's Grandpa. He's filming.
Can you say
Okay.
Grandpa? Grandpa.
Say Grandpa.
Pa and Ma.
There you go.
It's like the olden
Okay.
days.
Yeah.
Ready? Want soup? You gonna taste? What's that? Okay.
She's okay. She's.
You want a piece of meatball? Want some meatball? That's a noodle. Here.
Thank you.
Here, take the meatball. You want to put it in your mouth?
Mmm.
Chew it up.
Uh-oh.
Try it again. Yeah, uh-oh.
There. We'll fuck it up a little bit.
Here, try again.
Have a sip. Have a sip.
Lick.
Good. You just start eating up.
You're all done?
There's
Okay.
something else. Well, she's in the chair. She knows what we're doing.
We'll run around for 15 minutes and then we'll try it.
You want to try later? The bottle? Yeah, the bottle.